Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and show the operation of this window. First thing you want to do is come over here to the locks. You take and flip the bottom lock up, then you can flip the top lock, and then just take, and it allows you to slide the window over. Now if you want, you can slide it back into place and you can slide the other side over, and you can open up either side, or you can open them halfway, however. And then to remove these, you want to slide it over to this side for your inner sash. Just grab it by the bottom, lift up, and pull it right to you. But now if you have to remove the back sash, you slide it to this side, lift up, and pulls right out. And to replace them, you just push it right in the top, slide it back, go ahead and close it. Again, push it up in the top first. Oops, on this side. Set it back in place. Go ahead and close it. Lock your windows back up. It's all done.